In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn on dark mode in Hinge. Unfortunately, if you open up Hinge, you will see that Hinge does not offer a built-in dark mode toggle inside the app. Okay, so at this point, they don't have that feature enabled. So what you can do as a workaround is, since Hinge lack its own dark theme feature, the best option is to like rely on your device or your mobile system's settings. So try to turn on dark mode on your mobile or on your device, and that would or sometimes might reflect on the Hinge applications, because it do reflects on certain apps. So you can try that method here. So what you can do on your settings on your phone here, so go to the display settings. Okay, from the display settings, try to turn on the dark mode option. So okay, turn your phone into the dark mode option, and once your device is on the dark mode, and you can try access Hinge and see if that might still reflect on the Hinge as well. If it is so, then you'll be able to use the dark mode on Hinge. So this is the workaround we have at this point.